As you're already aware, the 25-year strategic plan you had in the railway sector that you put in place, today they are passing some of them. With all due respect to some of the people that are there today. The GSM revolution, today a lot of people can have 2, 3, 4 more by phone. It's because you believe that for economies to thrive, there must be competitiveness, and you created a platform for that, and even gave room for indigenous ones to spring up that employ thousands of jobs amongst our people. And when the agitation in the Niger Delta was going, you solved some of those issues. You created the NDDC, you created a lot of things that today has served as a conduit pipe for some politicians to be using those resources. Most of them are not doing the reason for which you established that agency. And also, coming to the area of youth, if you remember, you created the first ministry for youth development because you believe. Because you believe, Your Excellency, that young people should be involved in government and decision-making process. Not only that, there should be dedicated avenue for ensuring that there is growth in that sector. And you appointed also the first special advisor on youth and student matters that will be able to coordinate between the presidency and youth. House of Rep, yes. And the second person also ran for House of Rep, even though he didn't. Yes, because of the credibility you took to the international community, they trusted you. At that moment, we had over $18 billion or more in debt. But because you don't mark integrity with math, you show it with action and what people do. It shows whether they have confidence in you. You're able to convince those international agencies to forgive a whooping $18 billion to this great country. The debt management office said we're owing almost $30 billion or thereabout. So that gain you gave, we enjoy from what you did, has already also been bastardized. And also some people are even making money from the Paris Country Fund that is served as avenue for some people to be making a lot of money. And what made us say you are the only person living today that should be the father of the nation from the Youth Council angle?